Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make this magnificent angled jewellery box out of Fijian, kauri and peruke. Great little box, and it's fairly simple to make. I put a red interior in there. I've got a bit of Fijian kauri here. It's 12 inches by 1.5 inches thick, or just over 1.5 inches thick. Great timber, I like it. You see the grain, it comes up very unique. And the inlay is going to be made out of peruke, African peruke. So, let's get on with it. Hope you're enjoying the short version of how to make this box. Check out YouTube for the full version of how to make this box, step by step. It's easy. Have a go. I've trenched the sides and the ends with the dado head, quite about 22mm deep. You've got to go deep enough to make sure that when you cut the angle, you're not cutting all the peruke off. Taking the strips out of the press, they come up well. I'll plane them up now, put a groove in them for the bottom, and then I'll do the miters. I've cut the miters, I'll put the groove in for the bottom, cut the miters, and cut the bottom. Now it's all ready to go together. We'll put it together with the masking tape method and a box clamp, like normal, and it'll come out good. I've sanded the inside too. Do it a bit. Cut the angle, come out great, didn't it? Look at that. Look at that angle. And perfect miters, because they were square to begin with. And now the top looks in proportion. So we've got about 13-14mm lip around it, ready for the top. The base is still very chunky, but no one sees the base. But we're going to have a Fijian kauri lid on it, same as the base. And then we'll cut it on an angle. The top's done. Come out great. Now we're going to dress it up. We'll dress it up by putting a nice handle on it, and 4 3/8 plugs in each corner out of peruke. So that just gives it a touch of class. This box is all finished. Again, it came up great with this nice peruke handle and its buttons on the top and the peruke strips. The Fijian kauri and the peruke really go together, I think. And I put a red interior in it to match the peruke handles. You see that? Just a red interior glued to the bottom. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring the bell. I'm only a new channel. I can use all the subscribers I can get. See you next time. Bye.